Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is December 8th. We've got markets kind of mixed today. Very light trade once again overnight. Now, we may see this light trade attitude stick with us basically through the holidays. Certainly the overnight markets, seems like a lot of guys kind of taking that off now as we get closer to the holiday. But still going to get some movement. We did have some export sales this morning. Corn, we had 136,000 to Japan, 130,000 beans to Spain. So that might have helped support the corn overnight, up $0.015. Beans, though, down 4 3/4 after a big wild ride there for the last few days to finish out the week. We're down a little here this morning. Wheat down to 3 1/4 cents. So expect to see some movement out of that here today. Really, what's going to happen? How is this going to work out? Is this going to be, well, we see the overnights are down. Next thing you know, much like we've seen the trends right now, we're in a sideways trend for corn, it seems like, and for beans. We may try to see a little strength to get up to the upper end of the range. But technically, there's not a lot of strong patterns right now or strong resistance until we get corn up near the $4 for March and we get the beans back near that 10.50. So we'll see how that all trades. Something else that you got to watch is these outside markets. We're starting to see a little bit more influence as crude oil continues to push lower. So it's sharply lower again this morning. What that had done before is that it showed just outside money, that bigger money, the funds, getting out of some of these positions. They're positions that they're long in, and they're reducing that as we get closer to the end of the year. Now, are we going to need to see them take profits on other sides, other sectors that they're in order to kind of make up the balance sheet here as we go toward the end of the year? But we did see that influence before, as we saw a new low made for crude oil. It was almost just get me out of just about everything. So will that start to filter in again? We have a USDA report on Wednesday. So guys are going to position and try to get ready for that. Now, we are looking for a slight reduction for corn and beans on that report, but typically this isn't a report where they make a lot of changes. So don't expect to see some big changes on this December report. Cash markets out there, typically for corn, your best basis is right here around December 7th. Might start to see that widen out here as we go throughout this week. But a lot of cash that could be coming to the market here and start seeing some deliveries there. So might see a little hedge pressure as well. Certainly after the rally that we've seen, it could happen very quickly. But keep an eye on this. Like I said, we've got the report out on Wednesday. That's going to be the primary focus right now as guys kind of position for that. And then this lighter volume certainly here to stay. Now in livestock, we did see cash cattle finish up 168 Kansas on Friday. Box beef, though, down quite a bit. Choice down 188. Select down 357. So may get a little bit lower start here this morning. As far as hogs, cutout values down 93. Once again, trying to find more of that seasonal bottom in here as far as hogs, but probably going to still see a little pressure as we've taken out support now on these charts. We could see that market kind of make some adjustments at these levels as well. Stock market's down 55. Gold up $7. Silver's up 5 cents. The dollar right now relatively quiet, down just 2. So give us a call if you guys have any questions out there. We're here to help you out. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you again tomorrow.